Hello everyone. In this video, we are asked to find the value of 3 raised to the power of x plus y. Let's get started. So we have that 5 raised to the power of x plus 2y is equal to 5. Let's go here equation 1. And also, we have that 4 raised to the power of x plus 3y is equal to 16. Let's go here equation 2. But then we are asked to find 3 raised to the power of x plus y. So at this point, let us first of all consider equation 1. So from equation 1, we have that 5 raised to the power of x plus 2y is equal to 5. And the highest power of 5 here is 1. So therefore, since their bases are the same, we can equate their powers. So we have that x plus 2y is equal to 1. Let's go here equation 3. Also, from equation 2, we have that 4 raised to the power of x plus 3y is equal to 16. Now, we can express 16 in the powers of base 4 because 4 squared is equal to 16. So this becomes 4 raised to the power of x plus 3y is equal to 4 raised to the power of 2. So at this point, since their bases are the same, we have that x plus 3y is equal to 2. Let's go here equation 4. Thus, we have it that x plus 2y is equal to 1, and also x plus 3y is equal to 2. Now, looking at equation 3 and equation 4, we can now obtain the values of x and y, solving both equations simultaneously. Now, the first thing we do here to obtain the value of y is that we will subtract equation 3 from equation 4 to eliminate x. So this becomes x minus x plus 3y minus 2y equal to 2 minus 1. So x minus x is 0. 3y minus 2y is y equal to 2 minus 1 is 1. So therefore y is equal to 1. Now, to obtain the value of x, we will substitute y equal to 1 into equation 3 or equation 4. Now, from equation 3, we have it that x plus 2y is equal to 1. So the value of y is 1, so this becomes x plus 2 times 1 equal to 1. 2 times 1 is 2, so we have that x is equal to 1 minus 2, so x is equal to negative 1. Thus, we have that x is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to 1. But recall that we are asked to find 3 raised to the power of x plus y. So at this point, we have the value of x and we have the value of y. So this becomes 3 raised to the power of negative 1 plus 1. And this is equal to 3 raised to the power of 0. And 3 raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Now, we have been able to obtain the solution for the exponential equation given to us. Thank you so much for watching, and we really appreciate. Please encourage us by liking this video and help us to reach more audience by subscribing to our channel. And for more videos on Indices equation that leads to simultaneous or Indices equation that leads to quadratic, check out our playlist in this channel, and we wish you a happy learning journey. Bye. I will see you in my next video.